In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious cucumber sandwich recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need bread, cream cheese, sliced cucumbers, salt, pepper, and fresh dill. Spread an even layer of cream cheese on 2 slices of bread. Add an even layer of the sliced cucumbers. Season with the salt, pepper, and fresh dill. Now we're going to close up the sandwich. Cut the sandwiches into quarters. Our cucumber sandwich is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.